Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL. This camera boasts some impressive features designed to enhance your security setup both indoors and outdoors. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL sports a compact, oval-shaped body with a rugged build that feels durable enough to withstand various weather conditions. Its sleek design blends well into its surroundings, and the built-in spotlight and alarm siren add an extra layer of security. Installing the camera is straightforward, thanks to the included mounting plate and a GoPro-like ball joint that allows for flexible positioning. It's designed to pivot 360 degrees, giving you the freedom to adjust the angle as needed. The setup process is relatively simple, involving syncing the camera to your Wi-Fi network via a pairing button. Moving on to performance, this camera excels with its 2K resolution and color night vision capabilities. During testing, the video quality proved to be sharp, capturing detailed images even in low light conditions. The integration of a passive infrared motion sensor ensures that it detects movement effectively, triggering alerts promptly. One standout feature is the battery life. The Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL boasts an impressive battery that can last up to 4 months on a single charge. This is ideal for those who prefer not to deal with frequent recharging. Additionally, you have the option to extend the battery life further with a compatible solar panel accessory. For smart home enthusiasts, this camera supports integration with popular platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. This allows for seamless control and automation, enhancing its versatility within a smart home ecosystem. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the subscription model. While the camera itself offers robust features, accessing core functionalities like video recording and storage requires a subscription. This might be a drawback for those looking for a fully subscription-free experience. Audio quality is clear, thanks to noise-canceling technology implemented in the two-way audio system. This feature enables effective communication both ways, whether you're monitoring your property or using it as an intercom. In comparison to competitors like Eufy and Tapo, which offer similar hardware with local storage and AI capabilities without a subscription fee, the Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL stands out primarily for its exceptional battery life and high-resolution video quality. However, the decision ultimately depends on whether you value these premium features enough to justify the ongoing subscription cost. To wrap it up, the Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL is undeniably a strong contender in the outdoor security camera market. Its robust build, impressive battery life, and sharp 2K video resolution make it a reliable choice for those prioritizing quality and reliability. Just be mindful of the subscription requirement for accessing full functionality. That concludes our review of the Arlo Essential Outdoor Cam XL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.